If we do a 200 amp to 200 amp, it's typically a one-day turnaround thing. We get there, and the different utility companies have different ways of them scheduling, but they'll get there at a specific time, and then they shut off, pull the power off, and then we start doing our work, put it all back together, mount a new panel, and then land all of our wires. And then the thing that we go and really enjoy, and I really wander through the house because we'll hot check your whole house and label it very accurately. If it's been remodeled a bunch, sometimes that gets tricky, but we actually go in and we just don't write general lighting.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona home